Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix together and set aside 150 grams of gluten-free flour, 3.5 grams of baking powder, 2.5 grams of baking soda, 2.5 grams of salt, 2 grams of cinnamon, 1.25 grams of nutmeg, 1 gram of cloves, 0.25 grams of ginger, and 0.5 grams of allspice. Mix together 100 grams of room temperature whole eggs, 100 grams of granulated sugar, 50 grams of dark brown sugar, 113 grams of vegetable oil, 4 grams of vanilla extract, and 213 grams of pumpkin puree. Mix dry ingredients with the wet ingredients and mix until smooth and well combined. Scoop the batter into 12 cupcake molds. (350 degrees) for about 20 to 22 minutes. Cake is ready when it springs back from the touch. Allow the cupcakes to cool completely on a rack. For the icing, cream together 168 grams of room temperature cream cheese and 85 grams of room temperature unsalted butter. Once the cream is smooth, mix in 150 grams of powdered sugar, 4 grams of vanilla extract, and 0.75 grams of salt. Mix until it is smooth and well combined. Ice the cooled cupcakes with desired piping tip. Dust with a little bit of cinnamon and enjoy. Quick and easy cupcakes for any fall festivities. It is light, moist, and creamy with just the right amount of spices and sweetness. It just melts in your mouth.